Hello guys, how are we doing? Today I'm going to show you how to cut your insulation board without any dust in just seconds. Now this will work for any products, be it Celotex, Kingspan, Recticel, you name it. If it's an insulation board like this, then this will work. So let's crack on with it and show you how it's done. Okay, so I'll assume that you've made your nice cutting line on your insulation board just as so. Make sure it's nice and straight and then we can get straight into it. Okay, all you need is a trusty Stanley knife. This is just a real cheap one. It doesn't matter. As long as it's got a nice sharp blade, you're going to want a nice sharp blade for a clean cut. So let's get to it and show you what we're doing. Okay, we're going to do a nice deep cut all the way down with the blade along this line. Take our time with this and get it as sharp and as neat and as straight as possible. So you can use a safety rule with this if you have one. I have got one, but it's easier for me to show you without actually, because it gets in the way. So let's get on and give it a nice deep score along the line. Okay, so now we've got our nice crisp line. All I'm going to do is put it on the edge of a table. The table will finish about here, so we've got a little bit of overhang, and all we're going to do is apply some even pressure and push down. And as you can see, we've got a lovely, lovely clean cut, and you just need to cut through the other section there, which is just the other side of the film, with your Stanley blade. And jobs are good. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like.